Good morning, everyone. Happy new week. I am excited to be with you. I'm going to do just a quick get ready with me. Oh, sorry about that. And use some of my new tools that I was talking about and just have some fun with makeup. So if you're interested in doing that, please stay tuned and keep watching. My amazing husband, Ben, picked out this pretty nail polish color from OPI. It's the 1, 2, 3 step polish where it's kind of like a gel. It just lasts a little bit longer, but I will put the name of this polish in the comments down below, but I've gotten a couple comments about it, and it is like that kind of Tiffany, kind of greenish blue, but it matches a lot of things I own, which is kind of exciting. So I'm pumped. It's a new week. Let's play with some makeup. Going in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know this is like one of the only things that I use. I hope everyone had a really great 4th of July. We spent quite a bit of time in the sun, which is why my face is feeling a little dry right now. I did a cucumber aloe mask last night in hopes that my face will not peel, but you know, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna put some of this Lasting Smiles chapstick on just because everything's a little bit dehydrated today. So I received this in an Ipsy. I'll link the video up above, but it kind of has like a really light coconut oil kind of feel to it. And we are moving and shaking this morning. So eyelash curler time. I don't know about you guys, but I have Mamma Mia stuck in my head. I'm gonna take my eyeshadow primer here. We were watching, it's a new movie with Will Ferrell and Rachel McAdams in it, and it's hilarious. I think it's called Eurovision. But there's quite a bit of ABBA in there, and so now it has Mamma Mia stuck in my head, which is a fun one to have stuck in your head on a Monday morning. I'm going in with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. If you guys, it's in the shade Fair Light Neutral, and it's just the most hydrating lightweight foundation I think that I own, so I'm gonna go in with that. But if you follow Lyra, I don't know how to pronounce her name, but if you follow her on YouTube, she's a huge fan of this, and I would say I am as well. She has pretty dry skin too, so it just doesn't feel like you're wearing anything, and it's hydrating, but it has pretty full coverage, so that's impressive. I'm missing something. Be right back. I'm gonna go in with my Bright Future Gel Serum from Sephora in the shade Buttercream. I love this. It blends effortlessly and super lightweight. It just has a kind of a brightening effect. I feel like it goes really well with this foundation because it is a slightly darker tint, which, you know, I went through a whole fun little experience with this foundation shade. So if you're interested in finding out all about that, then check out my Sephora like COVID-19 experience video. I'll tag it up above, but kind of telling you what the stores are like, you know. Spoiler, you can't swatch stuff. Shocker. But you know, other than that, it's a wonderful experience. So if you guys are not signed up for Ipsy, Mama Up Church is getting her first Ipsy this week, so it's a very exciting day. So we're gonna find out what she got and then also what I got. I did some extra fun things, but you know, you get your glam bag and all the bags are different, but I do tend to save the bags, and I actually used this one for our pool kind of weekend. I use a clear beach bag, but this is a super fun like matching little, I think it was Valentine's Day, I don't really remember, but a clear bag as well to kind of match the clear vibe. So you use those more than you think, and they come in handy. For today's eyeshadow look, I got the Dawn Gazing palette from Beauty Crop. These are the super sweet, like, intergalactic stuff here. It's inspired by the kaleidoscope of pinks and magentas of the sky at dawn. It's got 12 buttery and highly pigmented shades in 3 different finishes: matte, creamy, and metallic, as well as a long wearing glitter, medium on the glitter. I love glitter, but only certain glitters because I don't want it falling off my face. Layer it up, be bold, finish the look with a glitter topper. Okay, cool. It's uniquely formulated with jojoba and coconut oil, and it's talc free. So let's take a look. There is no mirror, so it's just kind of this. Let's see here. It's really cool. It has a sticker, so it's not a loose paper. I don't know if you can see because it's like reflecting off of the inside of the paper, but maybe, there we go. So we've got a bunch of different neutral shades and this pressed glitter here. Let's give her a ripski and get to cracking, shall we? Love that sound. It's so good. Every time I love it. I'm going to keep that so I can put it back on there as well. I'm just going to use my handy little Marc Jacobs mirror here. I'm going to go in with a Morphe M573 brush. And I'm going to dip into the shade Sunrise first, which is kind of this like orangey-ish, peachy-ish. See how pigmented-ish? Oh, it's not shy on the pigment, folks. Oh my, I have to blend her out just a little bit. Kind of using one brush for both sides here. I talked about these Morphe brushes that I picked up on sale, which, you know, I know we're still in a pandemic and all the retailers are hurting, so just keep your eyes peeled for those sales. You know, be responsible, give yourself a budget, but if you see something that you've been wanting for a while, snatch it. There's quite a bit of kick up in the pan on this, but I'm not mad at it. Kind of reminds me of ColourPop a little bit. So I went into Sunrise here, that kind of corally shade. I'm gonna go into Karina here. It's more of like a mauve shade just in the outer corner. They build up quite nicely. Really nice there. I'm gonna take that same brush and just go under the eye with some of Sunrise because it's such a pretty color. I'm gonna go in with kind of an angled brush here. So I'm trying to make a kind of blown out wing with a little bit of a darker shade here. So I've just got one of my Harry Potter wands, which these are from Amazon, Storybook. Heavy, good quality brushes, love them. Not expensive, I think $19.99. Very gimmicky, but love them, use them all the time, and they hold up. So Ben got me a set and my mom got me a set, and they both didn't know about it. But I love all of it. They just know me so well, you know? Okay, so I'm dipping this angled brush into shade Twilight, which I'll show you as soon as I'm done. So it's kind of this like plum brown color. But I'm gonna actually swatch every shade on here on my hand and kind of show you the color story I went with. These do not swatch the most pigmented, but they're very pretty. So I've got kind of this corally, peachy shade here, out here, Sunrise. That is more of the deepening Karina. And then this is what I went in with, kind of an eyeliner for Twilight. I am gonna go over that with like a brown eyeliner as well, but that is what I did on my eyes. I'm just gonna go over it with this shade of an eyeliner. It's kind of a brown that matches that kind of magenta shade, so it turns out kind of fun on the eyes. Okay, I think we got a good sharp wing going on there, and you can see that the eyeshadow just kind of drags out the wing, but not in a too aggressive kind of way. And this color is just, it's espresso, but it's like not too overpowering that this looks crazy. I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. I don't know about you guys, but my hair gets very light in the sun. you know, in odd places. Like you'll suddenly get like a burst of blonde and then, you know, darkness. So do you use lemon juice at the pool in your hair, and does it work? I've always been curious because I feel like as little kids we all think that that works really, really well, and I don't know, I just want to know if you guys are the natural type of highlighter or if you just go to the salon and get it highlighted. I am too terrified to dye my hair at all whatsoever, but I am getting these natural highlights from being at the pool and in the sun, so that's kind of fun to play with. I'm going to go in with my Ciate Wonder Wand mascara here and do some mascara. Where would the world be without toothpicks? Because I just got a big blob mascara. I tell ya, we'd be lost. Okay, I'm going in with a little Believe Beauty blush in Creamy Peach. I have been loving this. I'm pretty addicted to it, and it was very inexpensive at the Dollar General, so I'm all about that life. And it's very powdery, but I don't care. And I like it. Skipping contour today, not doing it. I really just want to do kind of an all matte look and see how this eyeshadow performs, how it lasts. I always think I love like a metallic topper, a glittery shade, or anything like that, but today I've really been into the all matte looks, and I just want to see how it goes. So I'm just gonna blush up, and no highlighter, nothing fancy schmancy. Got the blush up in the hairline. I'm gonna do a fun lipstick though, so I'll show you this in line with my color story here. So that is this flower lipstick in Melon Kiss, and it comes with a lipstick on one end, and then you top it with a matching gloss on the other end. I have this in 2 shades. I love it. Its lasting power is amazing. It's a drugstore brand. It's not expensive. Drew Barrymore created it, so you know it's amazing, just like because she made it. And I wore this at the pool for the 4th of July. I love how it goes with the Believe Beauty blush, and it kind of goes with this whole like peachy dusty dawn sort of look. And yeah, that is my look for today. Pretty simple and straightforward, all matte. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. I hope you're doing well, and I can't wait to have you back on the channel. I just can't wait to have you back. Like, that's pretty much it. I don't really have anything else to say. So hope you're all doing well. I'm gonna shout out to Kashvi's cat, Pearl. So hi, Kashvi's cat. If any of you guys have pets, please put their names down below. I want to start incorporating something fun and unique about you guys in the videos as well. So if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, ring the bell. You'll get notified every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. But yeah, I'm just doing a variety of content at this point, and I love getting to know you guys and having you here. So thanks so much for following, and have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye. All right. Get the eyelash curler out. What is this hair doing? What? Eesh.